Welcome back. In this tutorial we will talk about collections. What's collection? Collection is a list that we can add this list to the variables. Later on we can show this list into the list view or recycler view inside our application. So the list is simply a list of the name or any string or integer or booleans, anything actually you can put inside the list. So the list is you can, even though change something else here, you can say true or something like this. So the list is the list of something. Okay, so we have these keywords, which a list of, array, list of, and map of, and hash map of. So this keyword is a keyword for the list and how you can make or create a list. So we have array list, we have a list itself as well. Later on we will going to use them inside the applications. Okay, so how you can use these and how you can change stuff from it. So for example, the first one, the list of, is just some kind of information that, like static data that you have, and you wanted to show this static data into the show this static data into your applications as an offline data, because every time when you are trying to give something to the people who not have internet, so this way you can make a list of your informations or your data that you have, and show it when the people will not have any internet. So this way you can add list. Map of is kind of like a value and key. So the value is a number, or is a like an ID for a value. So this key was just game. We can print out this game, and to print out the game, it will print out the value for this game, which is cool game. So the two, it's like a list. If you have one list, one pair of lists, and this list have a key hold up the all the information. So if I will change, put the comma here, and I will have to add another one here, I have to say the key then to the value. This way it will hold the second one and the third one and the fourth one. So this way you can make that map of, and later on you can simply get this information. So for example, you can make one map of list in your applications, and for example, you have ads in your application, and people wanted to get rid of these ads, and what you will do, you will make a list of map of or hash map of, which both of them kind of similar, and put them inside your shared reference, and whenever they will buy something, then it will take out or get out the information that, for example, you have a Boolean type. For example, here in this one we say is got ad free, for example, add free. Okay, then the value for this one, it will be true, for example. So it will be two things, or true or false, depending on that. It will going to save it inside one location, and later on you can simply say if the data that I have, which is map of, and the information that I need to get access is the name of the information that I have. So I can put it here, and this way we can get the value of this information. And if it is true, if this part is equal to true, then uh, something will happen. Okay, so this way we can get rid of the ads from your applications. Well, later on I will show you a different way to do that, because the shared preferences already have this kind of access to save the data like that, so you don't have to do this. But make sure you understand the map of is a key and the value is no need to be like exactly the same as a key. For example, you can do something like this. For example, say 34 to something like 55 or something like this. So the key can be a number, can be a string value, can be a anything that you want to be, and the value also can be a number, can be a boolean, can be a string, can be anything that you want to be, right? So this way you can access the informations, then get the key, and for that key, whatever value you have added for this key, it will show up right away. Okay, so this is all about a list. So list, you can store more than one information inside it. So either the string value or a number or a booleans or whatever. So whatever you will put inside the list of anything, it can come back to you. Okay, thank you for watching. In the next one we will talk about functions and how functions work, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.